Greetings, boys and girls. It is now time for Reader's Workshop. We're having fun learning reading today. Reading today is fun. We learn from our success. We learn from everyone. We're having fun learning reading today. Reading today is fun. We learn from our success. We learn from everyone. We're learning to think. Think today. Thinking today is fun. Thinking helps us solve problems. Solving problems helps everyone. We're learning to think. Think today. Thinking today is fun. Thinking helps us solve problems. Solving problems helps everyone. Boys and girls, can you read our learning target with me? I can compare and contrast two nonfiction texts. Remember, boys and girls, a fictional text is made up by an author, and it's not true. A nonfiction text is true, and it can teach us something, give us information about something, or explain real things. Remember, when you compare and contrast in reading, you are looking for things that are the same and things that are different. Remember, compare means same, and contrast means different. Can you compare these two items? Yes, they're both fruits. Now, can you contrast these two items? Yes, one is an apple and one is an orange. Let's look at our passages that we're going to compare and contrast today and tomorrow. I'm going to read the first passage to you. Identify some key details and write them on the Venn diagram under the heading Penguins. Then you will read the passage about geese. And using your own pencil and paper, you're going to draw your own Venn diagram and write what you learned about geese. Are you ready? Here we go. Penguins. Penguins live in both the water and on land. They have flippers to help them swim, and they cannot fly. Some penguins can stay underwater for 20 minutes. Penguins eat things they can catch in the water, like shrimp, fish, and squid. The penguins' predators, or animals that eat them, are sharks, orcas, and seals. They protect themselves by staying in large groups. Their black backs also make them hard to see from above the water. Their white stomachs make them hard to see from below the water. The largest penguins are about 4 feet tall and weigh about 100 pounds. Boys and girls, let's look at the key details that we've learned about penguins. We've learned that penguins live in both the water and on land. They cannot fly. They eat shrimp, fish, and squid. The penguins' predators are sharks, orcas, and seals. They have black-colored backs and white stomachs. They're about 4 feet tall and weigh 100 pounds. Now let me add this information to our Venn diagram, which is 2 circles that overlap. Remember, penguins live on water and on land. They eat shrimp, fish, and squid. They have black backs and white stomachs. Their predators are sharks, orcas, and seals. They're 4 feet tall, they weigh about 100 pounds, and they cannot fly. Boys and girls, get ready to pause the video. After you pause the video, you're going to read about geese and write down some of the important key details under geese on your Venn diagram. Then compare to see how penguins and geese are alike. After that, write 3 sentences about your Venn diagram. Write what both have in common and how penguins are different and how geese are different. Tomorrow, we'll check back for the answer. When you're finished writing, please take a picture and send it to your teacher of all of your great work. Finally, read Head Sprout or Raz Kids. You can also read from the Cobb Digital Library, and you can read your own books. Now, boys and girls, pause the video and have fun working.